Next is in studio. I like to exhibit the hot air balloon. No, hot air. I like to use the effect of hot air. That I have a large scope here. I enclose the candle here in the middle place and like to understand the hot air. Yes, I like to hot air. Oh God. Sorry. I go there. Inflate the candle here. Hot air I like to inflate. Okay. And say inflate it. This one I inflate it here. Yes. Okay. Now I hot air I like to insert it here. Okay. Now I like to judge. What is the effect of the hot air? There is a difference between the room air and the hot air. I gradually hot becomes the dry. If you convert it into dry air, is heavier in weight. So it feel upthrust. This still candle is still working. I like to little bit move here. Okay, candle it's working. Let us hope. Hot air I like to get. I think at least inflammation is concerned so far. Inflammations that will be enhanced at least. At least inflammation of the balloon that will be enhanced. Let us go to the upthrust. Go to see the hot air. In fact, hot air. I like to get it the hot air. Effect of the hot air. Hot air. I like to get the effect of the hot air. What should be its effect? It is candling. Yes, it is candling. Look here, it's candling here. And hot air, I like to see the effect of the hot air for the next testing in the studio. Let us see in a minute. Slight inflammations already took place, like a balloon inflate. Slight inflammation, you like to inflate it. Just say, I like to inflate the polythene bag. Inflate, and it started to inflate in and it is still the candle is going on lightening, and I go to the inflate. To some extent inflate, definitely already it is to some extent inflate. I go much more there. Now let us see. Then much more. Yes, it is telling, and at this inflation is concerned so far, it should be bigger in volume. Let us see. Because the dry air gives the upthrust to everywhere in all directions. So at least in fact it should be inflate. Little bit. Already little bit inflated. Already. Little bit enhanced inflations. And much more enhanced I can expect. So few moments have to wait. When the dry air, it will be converted into the dry air, like a gas balloon, like that it effect. So at least I'll see the inflations, the bigger in volume, that I can at least expect from this experiment. Already the polythene pack inflated to some extent than initial, and much more I have expectations. Let us see. What is a balloon? No, we can even it can fly in the sky. Such inflations may be done, but I like to test it here because the environment and the air inside, that is the atmospheric water vapor, lighter in weight, and this heavier in weight inside. So upthrust and inflations, all that make it to float. Let us see. At least inflation is concerned, much greater inflation right now. I took the hell view, much better inflation right now. Still candle flame is going on. So air is continuously hitting. Very good experiment of the inflation is concerned, it is already enhanced in all of its surroundings. Beautiful aspect is that one, that the fluid exerted the pressure in all possible directions. And look here, is all possible direction here. Look here, the all possible direction here. All possible directions. So right now, you go and inflate the inflation is concerned so far. You can judge the inflations until the candle flame is going on. So have an opportunity right now. It will take time, but it can be possible to see, properly judge the inflations is gradually enhancing. What are the previous inflations? The inflation took place. Still framing is right on. So expectedly, the inflations is gradually surrounding it. Inflation is going on. Definitely, it is lighter in weight. Yes, it is still going on until inflation is going on. All of its surroundings. Inflation is good going. Till candle flame is there. It is good going right now. Till I close it container. Gradually, the inflation is much greater than earlier. If you compare the two, the upthrust given, like a kinetic theory, the molecules are moving at random with high velocity. So it makes the pressure enhance, in fact. P equal to 1/3 mc square wise, the gas enclosed here that have been enhancing the kinetic energy of the molecules enhance and ultimately give it. And not only that, apart from this, the hot air, the greater in weight, so upthrust, so the pressure from here develop, having greater pressure. So that make it inflated. What is the balloon initial conditions? It is right now much more enhanced, much more inflated. Very nicely inflated. Good carry bag I got, fortunately, and much more inflated, like a gas balloon. Even by blow air, it can be float in the sky. So okay, I think that's sufficiently heated. So now I blow air. What? Okay, sorry. So the much more inflation I got it. Thank you very much. Very nice experiment I carried here. The inflation, when you verified my video, you can verify myself that yes, the inflations of the carry bag is much more than initial. Thank you for the next estimation.